Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. On the ADA chart, we are still here in this sort of corrective phase. I'm watching if the price can actually manage the breakout because the price did react to the micro support region that I shared with you in the last update. Okay, so we want to take a look at that right now. So that support area did hold. As I said, if you want to focus on the orange count, which is sort of speculative, but will get more and more plausible as we climb higher, then you can focus on this micro support area, but it wouldn't make a great difference because the price is anyway in this larger degree support zone as highlighted in yellow, which is defined between 29 cents and 49 cents. And from there, the focus can be on higher overall in a third wave rally that should send the price into the $2 region, okay, next. But yeah, let's first see if the price can actually turn around down there, because while the cryptos are at the moment going up, ADA seems to be waking up as well, but it's still sort of fairly quiet. Looking at the 1 hour chart, you can see that the potential is still for one more low, but maybe the low is already in. So basically what that means is the idea is that we are in the yellow support zone going to see a reversal. I mean, that's the thesis. That's not guaranteed, it's not like has to happen or anything, but it is the main thesis. Within that thesis, there are two structures the market could follow. In the orange one, the low is already in. And to confirm that further, I need a break above 52.2 cents. It might be that this is happening today. Okay. I mean, again, I've been giving you support zones, also the micro support zone that you can see there in orange on the chart for that orange wave count, because, it's possible that we see the breakout, right? It smells a little bit like that. But obviously, objectively, can't tell you it will happen. I don't work like that. Also, markets don't work like that. But instead, I'm giving you levels where you can watch for a reversal. And those levels, if broken, increase probabilities for the other way, for the other scenario. So it's obviously still possible that we're forming here some kind of a triangle pattern, maybe in a fourth wave in white. But this has become less likely with a break above 49 cents. That was a level that I gave you already yesterday. And if we now see a break above the green line, 52.2 cents, then that would be quite a bullish signal. At least in the short term, I would then watch for the prices, or the bulls, I should say, the bulls' ability to push the price towards 60.5 cents, maybe 65 cents. We need 65 cents in 5 waves. As soon as I get 5 waves, 65 cents, or as soon as, let's say, the price gets to 65 cents in 5 waves, I will assume that the wave 2, as highlighted in orange here on the chart, bottomed on the 13th of April. Now, very, very important. So that's what I'm watching. Important to, I think, recognize that there is certainly a requirement of what a third wave should do. Yeah, so again, the idea is we need 5 waves. Like that's just not only Elliott wave. You need 5 waves for a trend, or you don't have a trend. So it's here we don't have 5. So I call that a wave 1 still, because we have only 3 waves. So I need to see the larger pattern to call the correction complete. Then a wave 2, wave 3 needs to reach 60 cents. A wave 4 could come down to around about 54, and then a 5th wave. That would be ideal. Okay, if we don't even get to 60 cents, then as long as that's not the case, probabilities for a break are still high and for a failure. And as long as we don't break out above 52.2 cents, we need to be watching for the white count, which could be an ongoing wave 4 correction, A, B, C, D, E. But I can tell you it's not coming down, it's failing to come down. The bears have failed, as it seems, and unless we see a break below Monday's low, which was formed here at 46.3 cents, I think the bulls might indeed be at least attempting a breakout as we're climbing higher and higher and get towards that 52.2 cents level. Above 52.2, the next resistance is 54.7, then 58.2, and then the important 60, basically 60.5 cent level. Yeah, those are the key levels to watch for. So unless we get the 5 waves, there isn't really much more to say. If we get the 5 waves up, then afterwards there should be an opportunity to add to the trade, for example, in a corrective pullback. They typically happen after these 5 waves. And I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.